Okay, so now, again, we have this paper. We're looking at it. I've already listed the numbers from the first box, or the first question. And right now, we are not going to do anything until we put them in order. But before we even do that, let me talk to you real quick about what interquartile range is. And then think about it. Break this word down. Interquartile. Well, inter means inside. Quartile. Again, remember we talked about that in the last set of videos. The quartiles are, there's 4 quartiles. Quarters. There's 4 quarters in a dollar, right? A quad. You drive a quad, there are 4 tires on a quad. So, we're going to find the first and the third quartile, or the median of the first half of numbers and the median of the second half of numbers, and then we're going to find the range. Okay? The range is the difference between the two numbers. Remember, the range of the set of data was the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. Okay? Get my hands in the screen. Highest number and the lowest number. Okay? So instead of finding the difference between the highest number and the lowest number now, we're going to be finding the difference between the first quartile median and the second quartile, or the third quartile median. Okay? The first thing we have to do is we need to put these in order from least to greatest. So first thing is we're going to have is 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, and 15. So let's just double check. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers in our original set. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, so let's do this. Let's find the median of the whole set. Okay, let's find the median. Now remember, the median is the middle number. Okay, you got the same number of values on one side, same number of the other. What's that middle number? Okay, the middle number, in this case, we have 6 numbers. So hopefully you remember, when we have an even number, we have to add the 2 middle numbers together and divide by 2 to find the median. And those 2 middle numbers are going to be 8 and 9. So the middle number, or the median of this set of data, is going to be 8.5. Now, we don't really need that number. It really doesn't matter. We're not going to be using it. What we do need to do, though, is now find the median of the first half of the numbers. Now, we're going to find the median of these set of numbers, and then we're going to find the median of this set of numbers. Okay? The first half and the second half. So now, we got lucky. We have an odd number of values. So our first quartile, or Q1, again, I'm using the paper. I'm looking at my paper and I'm filling in right here where it says Q1. Q1 is going to be my median of this first half of the numbers. That Q1 is going to be, the value is going to be 7. So now, this is Q1, and just so we remember, this is Q2, or quartile 2, and quartile 3, or the Q3, is our median of our second set of numbers, okay? And again, lucked out, odd number of values, 3, so the middle number is our third quartile, okay? Now, what we want to do is now find the difference, the range, which again is what we've already done. Find the difference between these two numbers. The difference between 13 and 7, so 13 minus 7 is 6. And that is my interquartile range. I know, it's really difficult, right? I know, I'm making it really hard. Well, hopefully you guys understand that this is not that complicated, okay? And next thing we're going to do is we're going to compare and understand, why do you need to know this? What is this really going to tell me, okay? Why would I choose between, which one do I decide to use? Do I use the mean absolute deviation, or do I use the interquartile range? Okay, well, I'm going to show you in the next video.